Hi guys, today we will talk about Homebrew. What is it and how it is installed into the Mac M2. Okay, first of all, Homebrew is free and open source software package management system that simplifies the installation of software on Apple operating system macOS as well as Linux. It's really comfortable and needed for the programmers because many programs we have only in Homebrew repository, and we can find and install it only from Homebrew. Okay, in this case, go into the first link, and as you can see, install Homebrew. Yep, from the right, we should copy it, open the terminal, and paste it and push enter. But of course, I already have installed it. That is why I will show you what we can to do with it. First of all, if we enter command brew, we see what brew can do for us. Different commands and etc. Another one, brew list, will show all components which already installed. And like example, I will show you some interesting thing. As you can see, if I enter Opera, I don't have Opera right now installed on the computer. We can find it into the search component, what we need to install. Like example, IntelliJ IDEA. Yep, we can find it IntelliJ IDEA. But today we will install Opera. Okay, copy it and just put into the terminal. Paste, enter. And all what we need to do is only waiting when the brew install it. Okay, in this case, if we enter command space, we see that we already have Opera and can open it. Homebrew, install it for us. In this case, we can install really a lot of different components, programs which we need. Okay, and in this case, if we don't need it, yep, if we don't need Opera more, brew, uninstall Opera. Okay, and we don't have more Opera. Okay, thanks. See you later.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up.